my god, people, have you seen this safe? Oh my god, just unbelievable. First run in, and what a save. What's up, people? This day has come. I haven't been drifting for about, I know, 1 month and a half, so I'm super excited, so let's go! I'm not gonna stop repeating the emotions during the drift, after the drift, before the drift. All the like shivering is just unbelievable. So chaps, second time as a passenger with my friend.
Hello, hello.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! safe. Thank you, my friend. That
No problem.
That was
no problem.
really, really good.
Actually, I drift on these sides maybe for second time.
Yeah, yeah. This when I'm going this side, I'm spinning all the time. I think even more than you, man. But that was really good. Really scary as well. Nice one. Cheers, mate.
You're welcome, buddy.
It was super scary going as a passenger. Even I'm drifting for 3 years now, maybe even a little bit more. But I was as a passenger only for the second time in my life, and that was incredible. The emotions, they just overfill me. Drifting in the swimming pool again. That reminds me of the Santa Pot. Was a lovely day though. I didn't talk much in this video. Hope you still enjoyed it. It was full of drifting, full of action, and see you next time, guys.